Marami tayong kandidato.
Kandidato ito.
Here's Norwood. Norwood attacks!
I really like the statement that Gabe Norwood is making in this ballgame.
Gabe Norwood with 17 points. Back to a 4-point lead for the North. And a nice interception by Cardona. Cardona. Arwin Santos again lost it.
Galit si Makmak. I gave you a touchdown pass and you didn't catch it. I mean, you cannot believe it. Peyton Manning, I gave you a touchdown pass. You didn't catch it.
And Kelly Williams with a miss. Trying to keep that ball alive. Here's Baguio. Baguio outside. Jimmy for 3. Almost, but not quite.
Bumawi naman si Arwin with a defensive rebound. So down to 2 minutes and 27 seconds left.
4-point lead for the North. They have the basketball. 129-125. Helterbrand. Can't go backdoor. Santos. Shot clock winding down. It's thriller time. 1 to shoot. Miller. Nice block by Baguio.
No fouls are being called here.
Here's Jimmy Alapag. James Yap, reverse up, bitin. They'll say it's last touch on Taulava. And Tim Cone is contesting the call. But Cardona loving the action here. Of course, syempre, labang sila, no? 129-125.
And nakakontribute naman siya. You know, also came up with an interception that was crucial here in the last few minutes of the game. Tim Cone reacting. Pero matagal pa ito. Plenty of time. You gotta stop Willie, though.
Whoops! Here's Norwood. Cardona. Oh, against Eric Meng. Spins over Kelly Williams.
Cardona with 20 in the ball game right now.
Now here's Alapag. Nice swipe again. Cardona active hands on defense. And with a minute and 33 remaining in the fourth quarter, lamang ng Animang North, 131-125. Back in a moment. One and 33 remaining in the fourth and final quarter, and it looks like we'll have a wild windup here in Puerto Princesa. Gabe Norwood, leading candidate for All-Star MVP, but they need to win the game first.
Yeah, and I think kalaban rin niya si Makmak Cardona a little bit, but the South have to score here whatever happens. Hirap na hirap talaga si James Yap. Parang hirap na hirap talaga si James Yap. Hirap na hirap ang South. And a loose ball foul finally called against Eric Meng. Is it on? No, it's on James Yap.
You know, you look at the face of James Yap, you can tell what's running in his mind. Ginawa ko na lahat.
He must really be very tired. Alam mo, James is one of the most popular players of the league, and everywhere he goes, sign autographs, picture taking every second of the day.
And we've seen that here in Puerto Princesa, no doubt. And here's Ranadel, fires.
Favorite shot.
Here's Alapag. South down by 6. Under a minute to play in this All-Star game.
Tagal pa yan.
Alapag. Kelly. Williams attacks. Wild shot. And Cardona gets the rebound.
That might be it.
Oh, nice one by Alapag. But the North retained the basketball, and here's De Ocampo, sidestep beauty.
That might be it. And the North finally breaking.
So now it's an 8-point game. And now the South looking at 3-pointers here. Kelly Williams.
Whoa!
Kelly Williams! And the foul given up by James Yap at half court.
But they're not in penalty, I think. Or they are? They are. So it'll be free throw shots.
Foul on 18, James Yap penalty.
So on the line is Mac Cardona, who's also fighting for the chance to be named All-Star MVP. He missed the first free throw. The South led by 1 after the first quarter. Then the North pushed ahead in the second quarter to lead 76-69 at the half. And then in the third quarter, the North retained their 3-point lead, 104-101. And right now, things are looking up for the North squad. They're on top, 133-127, back after this timeout.
Si Jonas.
17 points. 17? 17.
By 12. After being down by 8.
20 seconds remaining dito sa fourth and final quarter. At may oras pa ang South dito. Let's listen in. Okay, 133-127. North on top. Bola ng South with 20 seconds to go. Options here, Dr. J.
Well, a 3-point shot probably, because that's why Ontiveros has been sent in there. James Shop can shoot a 3-point shot. Jimmy Alapag. Kelly Williams, if he pops after setting a pick, he can also shoot a 3-point shot. Then Eric goes in for the rebound. You miss, you throw it out to another 3-point shooter. There's Eric. There's the screen. There's Jimmy. There's James.
James for 3.
It won't fall. Throw it out again. That's
One more
what
try.
Eric, that's what,
Alapag. No.
it won't go in again. One more time
Well,
for
then try
James.
again. 5 seconds to go. James, yep, for 3.
It won't go in. One more time for James.
Here's Don. He'll try. That's it.
The Los 3. That's the end of the ball game.
A great effort coming from both teams. I suppose that's what you call all-star effort from both teams.
Yeah, I really like the way they played this game. If they played the first half with a lot of points, they played with a lot of heart in the second half. And I thought that the North really tried to put on defense in spite of the fact that they're a smaller squad, but they used the speed to their advantage, and it worked for them. It worked for them in this ball game.
So the North survives a South rally in the fourth quarter to win by 3 points, 133-130. And at this point, we'll prepare to hand out awards. As you see, the final score, 133-130. So at least, quits din eh. Kasi palagi ko panalo yung South dun sa pre-game dance eh.
Walang laban.
Oo, no? Tambakan yun, no?
No,
Joe Devans, no?
Parang
Panalo.
preparado ang South to give a good performance. Nasubo na lang yung North. Kasi tama, wala tayong kinata.
But in the game, the All-Star game, the North winning by 3, 133-130 before a packed crowd inside the Puerto Princesa Coliseum. And a victorious North All-Star team with Mrs. Ellen Hagedorn and Commissioner Sonny Barrios with the All-Star trophy, as well as PBA Chairman Lito Alvarez. Head coach Ryan Gregorio, a winning All-Star coach.
MVP of the 2010 PBA All-Star game, and we call him the CEO of Heavy Picks, Mr. Derek Cosby. Gino Mayotte. MVP will be receiving 20,000 pesos.
I think it's going to be a close one. Close one, I think, between Gabe Norwood and Mac Macardona.
And ladies and gentlemen, our MVP winning 20,000, Cal Handy Fix. Congratulations, Gabe Norwood.
Can't blame that, because Gabe Norwood did finish with 17 points and 4 rebounds. No? Siya ang ating Handy Fix All-Star MVP.
Dahil Handy Fix, ang first aid ng bahay mo, bonds all and seals all. Yeah, the North really did a great job neutralizing the size of the South in this game.
By hustle on the defense, a little hidden zone here, and then a very quick, fast break. But Gabe Norwood's a very happy man. He and Sol Mercado also played very well. Willie Miller